Welcome back to app tutorial. In this video I will show you how you can block someone on the PayPal app. So let's start. Start the process by opening the PayPal app. When you open the app, you will find three options. They are home, payments and wallet. Go to payments. In the payment section, you will find the contacts of the people that you have added on the PayPal app. Alongside each contact, you will also find three dots on the right side. When you tap on those three dots, you will find the option to block that person. So in order to block that specific contact, tap on block and confirm the process by tapping on block once again. As you do that specific contact will be permanently blocked from your PayPal account. After blocking, that specific person won't be able to do any kind of transactions on the PayPal app with you. In this way, you can easily block anyone from your contacts on the PayPal app. Well, that's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel so that you won't miss any other videos on these similar topics.